You've got a Yealink CP965 conference phone, or you're interested in one and you want to know how to set it up quick and easy, this is the video for you, so stay tuned. Hey, it's Chris with Accent here. Welcome into our Yealink CP965 setup and config video. In this video, we're going to be setting up the CP965 conference phone on a FreePBX. We've got a brand new CP965. We're going to unbox it, get it out, and set it up real quick. Then we're going to log into our FreePBX and we're going to set it up and show you step by step how to go about getting the CP960 phone up and running on a phone system. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Okay, so we've got the CP965 right here, still in the box, and I'll even prove it to you. It's in the packaging and everything. So this is a fresh one. Ooh. Let's let that fall on the floor. This is the fresh one right out of the box. Grab the phone. Here it is. Like I said, still in the packaging. So this will be start to finish for you guys. We're going to see how quickly we can get this thing going. All right, so what do I need to make this happen? I need a phone system. That's really important. I've already got a FreePBX configured. It's running in our cloud. So I'm going to log into that one here in a minute after I get the phone physically plugged in. I need a CP965 phone. I need an Ethernet cable as well. So I'm just going to take the phone here, plug it in to my cable. It's got power over Ethernet attached to it. It's got a little 965 has a little kind of diff. This will be fun. All right, has a little port on the a little enclosure on the back right here. I can just kind of slide it closed, makes it lay flat. Phone's booting up. All right, while I do that, what do we need here? Like I said, we have a FreePBX already set up in our cloud. I'm going to log into that here while the phone is booting up. I need internet, right? I need a network connection. And I need power over Ethernet is what I've got here as well. If you don't have power over Ethernet, you could plug the phone in with a power adapter as well. I believe Yealink sells those separately. And so those are all the physical components you need to get this thing up and running. And before we get too far into configuring the Yealink phone with our FreePBX, if this is something that you're not exactly sure how to do, or you need some support, or you're interested in a cloud phone system or somebody to help you set the Yealink CP965 up on a cloud phone system, you can give Accent a call. You can go to our website at accentvoice.com. You can call us at the number on the screen here, and we will get this set up on the Accent cloud phone system for you very quick and easy. Our expert technicians will take care of that. All right, I got the phone booted up here. You can see it says no service. Hopefully you can see that. That means we are not configured to anything, and we're going to put this on a live extension here. I also have the FreePBX booted up over on my display, so we've got everything we need to get going. First things first, let's just go ahead and set up our extension on the phone system. That's really the first piece. You need an extension. So let's go to the FreePBX here. I'm going to go to extensions. All right, got a bunch of extensions here. You're not going to see this information because it's grayed out, and we don't need anybody getting access to anything they're not supposed to have access to. We are going to add an extension. We're going to use a PJ-SIP extension. And we're just going to give this extension a number. Let's number it 4444. We're going to just name it Yealink conference phone. Perfect. We don't need to give it any outbound caller ID or anything at this moment in time. It's pretty straightforward. Internal directory, that's good. And here's the SIP secret right here. I am going to just use the default SIP secret. You can choose any SIP secret that you want, and you'll be able to you'll change that and then paste it into your phone setup, which we're going to do here momentarily. Let's jump over to voicemail. We don't need voicemail enabled. It's a conference phone. If this is a user extension, we probably would enable voicemail. And for this basic setup, really all you need is an extension number and give it a name. I'm not going to give it any outbound caller ID as we mentioned previously. I'm just going to hit submit. It's just thinking here. Perfect. Don't forget with FreePBX, click apply config. And FreePBX is going to reload, and that extension is going to be there. All right, FreePBX reloaded, and we're going to the phone now to set up the phone. So we set up the FreePBX extension. It's extension 4444, pretty straightforward. Now we're going to get some information off of the Yealink phone. So I'm just going to click the More button down here in the bottom right corner of the display, and Settings. And then so I go into the settings, and there's an option for network. I'm just going to choose network. And then I want to get the IPv4 status. This is going to give you the IP address of the phone. We are going to browse to this IP address. Now the IP address that I get from my phone is going to be different than yours. That's specific to your local IP network. So you got to get that IP address from your phone. If you don't know what an IP address is, it's just the network address of the phone on the local network. It is a numeric number. Mine is 172.22.22.180. That means nothing to you. Do not use that number. It will not work for you. Let's put it in our browser here. All right, I've browsed to my phone here. Got it up on the display. Default for Yealink username and password is username admin, password admin. And I'm in on the phone. And this is the stock Yealink web interface display. To get this thing set up and going, it's really straightforward. I'm going to go to account. I'm going to click register. All right, I'm going to be setting up account 1. There's only one account available on this phone, so a lot of phones support multiple SIP accounts. This does not. We're going to make the line active. We're going to give it a label of 4444. That's my extension. Display name and register name. Display name's up to you. We'll just call it Yealink conference phone to match the extension name. Register name, we're going to go 4444. Username, we're going to go 4444. It's the same as the extension number. All right, now we're going to take that SIP extension password from the FreePBX. I'm going to jump right over back to that FreePBX. I'm going to find my extension. Here it is. Found my extension. I'm going to go back and grab that SIP secret. I'm going to copy it. All this information is going to get changed after this video gets recorded anyway, so I'm not concerned about security. All right, now the server host. Now I'm going to type the server host address in. So this is the address of my phone system on the internet. Now you can't see that because that's a secure address that I'm not going to put out on the internet, but that's usually going to be something like phonesystem.domain.com. It might be an IP address that's on the WAN. It might be your local IP address. So that's going to be the specific address. It's either a DNS record or it is a IP address of your phone system. So that's specific to you. All this information is really specific to you, what you set up. I'm going to click confirm here. And you can see on the display it is registered. All right, we are registered here. We're just going to make a quick phone call. This extension will probably just come up with voicemail.
Hi, you've reached Chris Cameron on the Voice One Business Edition. I can't get to the phone right now. Please leave a message, and I'll return your call as soon as I can. Thanks.
All right, so that was the voicemail extension of a voicemail greeting of one of the other extensions on that phone system. Very simple, straightforward. That is how you do it. I've got a FreePBX. I set up my extension and my password and all of my user information. Then I took that and put that into the Yealink phone. I had a brand new Yealink phone that I took out of the box, set it up, and registered it, ready to go. Hey, if you liked this video, give us a like. If you think this is helpful for somebody that you know, share it to one of your colleagues or friends. And if you're interested in more content like this, we've got setup videos, config videos, phone reviews, all kinds of different telecommunications industry videos. You should subscribe to the channel and follow along. We've got lots of content that we put out regularly, and I'm sure you'll find something helpful on our channel. And once again, if you're interested in a cloud phone system, video meetings, team messaging, somebody to support your Yealink CP965 phone or any of your Yealink phones or any of your SIP phones for that matter, you can contact Accent. Go to accentvoice.com, where you can learn more about our cloud phone system and all of our great cloud communication services and help you get set up quick and easy. All right, that's it. Real quick and easy, we set up the CP965 on our cloud phone system. Hope you found this video to be helpful. What do you think? Drop it in the comments below. Do you like the CP965? We did a review video of the CP965. I'm going to link that above and in the comments below so you can check out the review if you don't have that phone yet. If you do have that phone, what do you think? Was this video helpful? If it was, awesome. Thank you so much for watching. If you leave a comment, we will respond. We respond to all the comments that we can. So, please leave us a note below and leave us a like if you like this video as well. Thank you. All right, well, this has been Chris with Accent. You can check out more of our videos on the YouTube channel at Accent Voice. We've got lots of different telecom review, telecommunications topics. We've got videos talking about other phones, phone services, apps. We do setup guides to all different types of phones. So leave us a like, subscribe to the channel. Check us out. We post regular content. And follow along for all kinds of telecommunications fun. Thanks so much for watching till the end of this video. Again, this has been Chris with Accent. We will see you next time.